Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone off and removing the case and SIM tray so you can access the lightning port without interference. Use a tri-point screwdriver and place the phone on an ESD mat. This prevents static damage while you work. Once done, inspect the port with a magnifier for lint, corrosion, or bent pins. This tells you whether cleaning or full replacement is needed. Keep every screw in order. Losing even one changes the reassembly and can damage internal components. You try non-invasive fixes first. Blast compressed air and dab 90% isopropyl on a nylon brush to remove debris, because that often restores connection without surgery. If cleaning fails and you see bent pins or corrosion, proceed to open the bottom assembly. Carefully unscrew the lightning shield and disconnect the flex cable so you can access the port. Once removed, position the new port, seat the flex cable, and replace shielding. This ensures mechanical stability and reliable electrical contact. You now reassemble in reverse. Align components, seat connectors, and reinstall screws in their original positions while avoiding over-tightening because stripped threads create future failure. Once reassembled, test charging, data transfer, and microphone to confirm full function. This verifies both power and signal paths. If problems persist, make sure solder joints on the port are solid and the flex cable is undamaged, and then consider swapping the flex or consulting a repair technician. Professional service prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.